Hi guys, welcome to the channel dedicated to the build and modification of the Knight Rider 1x8 scale model car. In this channel you will be able to see all the details about the assembly. I will cover all the issues published from FanHome, or in this case Planeta DeAgostini, which is the same version released here in Portugal. I will also be sharing a few videos dedicated to upgrades for this car. In this video, I will talk a little bit about the upgrades I'm working on for the dash. I have already published a few small teaser videos before, not only here on the channel, but also on my dedicated Facebook group, which I invite everyone to join, and on other Facebook groups dedicated on this build as well. But on this particular video, I will include more details. So, for the guys that are new to my dash upgrade, let me explain what I'm doing. In a nutshell, and as you might already know, the stock dash setup is very basic. The panels are these small clear plastic pieces with the indicators painted on them. And for each panel, there's an LED to light the entire panel. The result is this inaccurate and unappealing look. Since I'm a big fan of KITT, this is a major disappointment. So I felt the need to improve this and give the model a better dash that it deserves. At the beginning, I tried using color markers and paint the back side of the panels to give more color, and it got better, but still far from what I wanted. The light though was still all over the place. To fix this, I had to design and 3D print a mask piece to let the light go through only on the illuminated areas of the dash. Then I found the graphics from Witt. For the guys that don't know his work, he is the master of detail and has done a lot of cool things for this model as well. He was kind enough to share his design, so I printed the graphics on a white vinyl sticker on a local print shop. This made a huge impact on the looks, so I was on the right track. This alone would work just fine, but since I'm a tech guy, I wanted more. It would be amazing to give the dash the light animation just like the real one. The stock mainboard from the collection is very limited, so I knew I had to make my own main board. So I spent several hours looking at data sheets and designing a new main board. And this is what I came up with. Although the design is all mine, the PCB was manufactured by a PCB company called JLCPCB. We basically upload our design on their website and we get an instant quotation and time estimate for the PCBs. And the prices are very good, not only for the PCB itself, but also for the components if we want them to include and solder on the boards. My board takes 6 microcontrollers which communicate between each other and these components. Since they have a very small pin pitch, it's much easier to come already soldered with industrial equipment. Some of the passive components I can also request them to include, while others, and because I'm still on the fine-tuning stage, I will solder them myself here at home. I'm already at version 2 of the main board, and this is it. As you can see, there are already some components soldered on it. These are the ones that have been soldered at JLCPCB. Now, the 6 microcontrollers need to be programmed. Without a program, they don't do anything. So I still have to program all 6 microcontrollers so they can control all the individual LEDs and together run the animation on the dash. This board will do much more than just light animation. It will be able to do more tricks, but I don't want to spoil too much at this point. I will unveil step by step as we go on. For the first test, I made a simple sequence to check all the lights and see how everything runs. Still missing are the voice box, startup lights and buttons, which I will add as we go. At this early stage, it already looks good. What do you think? And that's it for this video. Don't miss the next videos with the dash development, assembly, and whatnot. We will see you guys next time. Bye!